tayo sa right. We're almost there. That's Japan, Ohio, gozaimasu, konnichiwa, gambete kudasai, gambete kudasai. I don't know in English. Touch me not. Pero no Neru. I only know that Japanese words. Kita kudasai. Bago yung sumati dyan, mga ko. Hindi like one. Wala si Ryan. That is the Kansai Airport Bridge. Diyan tayo dadaan ulit. Here's the airport finally.
Landed at Kansai International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Osaka. The local time now is 45 minutes past 12 noon. And we're pleased to inform you that we have landed 30 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. For information, Osaka is 1 hour ahead of Manila. For safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs are switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments, and before leaving this aircraft, please check to drop all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you again soon. On behalf of Captain Mark Saldo, First Officer PJ Aguilar, Cabin Crew Mary, Francis, Mira, and myself, Pat, thank you for choosing AirAsia, and have a pleasant day ahead. Once again, this is an important safety announcement. Except in case of water landing, removal and bringing of life vest outside this aircraft is a criminal offense and punishable by the law. And for passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vest,
Yes,
please return them to the
the
cabin
Kansai
upon training.
Airport.
And for your information, the ground temperature
Last
is
time we
15
arrived
degrees
was
Celsius.
evening.
Thank you, and once again, AirAsia welcomes you to Osaka.
So the plane is just gonna park like us where we did last every time we travel. Not only in Osaka. Alright. Welcome to our dream come true country. Mabuhay!
Bye-bye.
Konnichiwa! Merry Christmas po!
Enjoy.
Second time ko na mag-Japan. Wow! Guys, look! Here we go again, Kasan. Konnichiwa! Ramdam na ang lamig, guys. Susunduin ulit tayo niyo. Oh, namiss ko na si ano. Hindi. Susunduin tayo ni Shane and you. No. We're back. Sobrang lamig ngayon. We are back in Osaka, Japan. Ni-renovate na rin ang Kansai Airport. I will not make any more of comments, but yeah, back to our dream come true country. Susunduin tayo sa let's wait first. Tayo muna natin sila. Okay. Sige. Mamaya off ko na tong phone na to kasi bawal mag-video. Now I remember. Bawal na mag-video sa immigration. Try to use the elevator na lang. Transfer. I'll off my video when we go up.
Kanji, you don't want to push your jacket?
Look. Okay. As transfer. You will see the applied the technologies in tourism. Somehow there's a train. So that is the train. So that's the train. Alright, so this is it. That's it. Behavior.
What's the tax rate you upload for?
I'll off the video first.